estimated tax loss to the government, auto components is almost like total 2726 crores, alcohol 2510 crore, hardware 1234, FMCG personal goods almost 5,000, packaged food 5,600, mobile phones 3,000 plus, tobacco 6,000 plus. So estimated annual loss is around 26,000 crores to the exchequer. So how do we do this risk mitigation? So important thing first would be to have a regular IP audit of your own assets and ensure that these are protected. You have registered all your patents, designs, trademarks with the right authority, so you have the right to take action against them. For example, for a patent or a design, if these are not filed and they are made available to the public, they are in public domain, then you cannot claim any rights in them. So it's important to know the right and ensure that you file the application at the right time, obtain statutory protection, find responses to the office action in a timely manner. And we've been living in a global economy now. It's important that we also register the IP rights at the right in the right jurisdiction. So if we are looking at exporting to certain countries, even if we are not doing it right now, but we are looking at it, we should ensure that we block them and get our IP secured there. Review it at the right time and monitor trademark journals and utilize trademark court services to see that nobody with a similar trademark application is accepted. Counterfeiting, that's the biggest challenge for any business. It's a big risk and a challenge there. And it's important to keep a lookout. Companies, like I said, they spend resources, so they have to keep teams to regularly check the websites, the social media, and other platforms where these counterfeiters could be selling, and thereafter conduct offline and online investigations to check, their details. Because of online, sometimes you're able to get the PAN number or GST when you order online, but sometimes these could also be fake. So we have to involve the investigation agencies and get the data from them, and then ensure that we file the cases, be it a civil or a criminal, and take action against them. Secure the supply chain, track down manufacturers and shops for infringing products, collect evidence, that's the data and the details, like the financial details of PAN, GST and all. And legal action, civil and criminal, again, there are a number of types of injunction which are available. There's a joint order where it could be in rem, where you suppose you have information that one particular shop in a market is selling the counterfeit goods.
What kind of a doors it is? If it is a fire door, we need 2 hours or 1 hour rating. So it's everything very clearly mentioned in the National Building Code of India, keeping in view to ensure the complete compartmentation where we feel little bit safe, or we'll get the time to evacuate from one compartment to other compartment, or get the times to go to the lobby, go to the staircases, go to the final exit. Right? So these are some of the statutory compliance as per the National Building Code of India, or as per the state laws, state act, or as per their local building bylaws or DCRs. They're supposed to implement something, they're supposed to provide something as the fire safety means. Right? 2 type of fire protection system, one is active and one is passive. So passive means I told you, like a doors hai, aapka curtain hai, walls hai, these are all a passive kind of a thing, which restrict a fire to contain. And active means in case of fire, you need something to extinguish that. So active and passive, the combination of a fire safety in any one of the building. Now, the importance of effective and healthy fire protection system for business. My topic is this, so I focus on that particular point of view. Why you need this? So as per the NFPA, American study, they witnessed the 3,500 fires, vis-a-vis some deaths also, and they want to ensure that each and every office building should be protected with the fire safety equipment. This is the reason why we are insisting, and why they, like the international players, whenever they are coming to India, they just want to know that what kind of compliance systems are available in India, whether it is safe or not, and they send these compliance systems to their counterpart in the USA and they match it. So now our National Building Code of India is as good as any international building codes. Everybody is appreciating of National Building Code of India. Everybody is appreciating our standards. Through Act Act we are implementing those recommendatory documents. Through Act we are making those documents as a mandatory, and states are implementing.
Counterfeit goods. So you can get a John Doe order where the order is against anyone. So if it's not just that shop, any other shops in the market are also selling counterfeit goods, you could actually use the same order to rate them and to check them. So that's a very good order to have. Anti-popular order, which is again a raid order, is available. So there are a number of orders, and the Delhi High Court has been very, very forward-looking and path-breaking there to deliver these kind of judgments and orders and tackle the counterfeit challenge there. Publishing caution notices could also be there to at least caution the public that you have information about the fake goods, and they could also report about the fake goods to you, and finally take legal action there. In this, I would also add the dark web. I mean, dark web is there, and people try to use that, not the normal currency, but bitcoins, to avoid being tracked. Import, we have seen a lot of counterfeits being imported into India. So there's a provision under the law where the IP rights would be registered with the custom authorities. So if any shipment with a particular trademark, your trademark is coming into India, so that could be recorded with the custom authorities, and the custom would, if they get to, they inspect, they get to know, they would inform you and give you 3 to 5 days to inspect the goods, and thereafter take legal action. Otherwise, they will release them to the person who has reported them. And so this has been quite useful. We have had a number of counterfeits being reported by customs, but again, the challenge is they do not check all the shipments which are coming into India. It could be one of the odd ones, or if you have very specific information, that could be shared with customs, and then they can look into that. Deterrence, we have seen that there's generally the perception about Indian courts is that they don't grant damages, and it's always a challenge. You file a case, but you don't get the good orders. But there are a number of cases on the IP side where good orders have been passed, where damages have been awarded by the Delhi High Court. Like in this case, 5 lakh damages were awarded. Puma was 2,05,000. This was 31.5 million in Philips case, 3 million in Hell Energy. So there are a number of examples to see that there are, the High Court is quite aware of that, and they are passing these damages. So there is a deterrence